Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon. Today we are going to learn about wireless technology and security. Okay, I will share the quiz with you. Pre-quiz wireless. WLAN is a larger size of a wide area network compared to a local area network. Example, internet. Yes, no, or not sure. Saiful, can you give me your answer? Yes. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Okay, try.
Alah.
And then the answer should be no, right? Okay. After the slide, I will explain more about this. Okay. You see the slide, everyone?
Yes,
One.
Okay. Today we are going to learn about wireless technology and basic security, learning outcome, remember wireless technology, understand networking threat, understand security on a wireless LAN. Next slide. What is social engineering attack? Social engineering is a term used for broad range of activity accomplished through human interaction. It uses physiology manipulation to trick user into making security mistake or giving away sensitive information. The social engineering attack example, phishing attack. Phishing attack is popular at this time. Example, okay. Is understand security of wireless LAN, how to avoid WLAN attack.
More functionality to our smartphones. 1G brought us the very first cell phones, 2G let us text for the first time, 3G brought us online, and 4G delivered the speeds that we enjoy today. But as more users come online, 4G networks have just about reached the limit of what they're capable of at a time when users want even more data for their smartphones.
We use innovation AR in PdP using AR Lopa. Okay, I will demonstrate the video for you to get more understand. If you scan, you will get the picture, the color picture. Okay, this is pre-quiz, this is post-quiz, this is before class, we already take a look, and this is after class. Can you read the question for question 10?
taklah. Tak malu-malu tapi mau.
Okay, everyone, raise your hand if you understand about our slide, our quiz, pre-quiz, post-quiz, everything. Okay, everyone.
Kelahirkan
Bye-bye.